What I want to cover next is care and maintenance of your steel cliches. This is also a very expensive piece of tooling. This steel cliche is 62 to 65 Rockwell. It's been checked in multiple locations for accuracy, and this is now part of your important tooling that you need to produce every day. If you look closely at this side, you can see there's a corrosion that occurred. And this corrosion occurred because this plate was not stored properly. Thank goodness it's a double-sided plate, and we just remade the other side. The correct way to store your cliches is maintain the packaging that the cliche came in originally. When you get through with the cliche, you should spray it with our cliche spray. Wrap it back in your package. This packaging is an oil-impregnated paper, and this will help eliminate the moisture and the acids in your fingers that can cause corrosion on your plates. The proper way to store your pads, we're going to demonstrate here in the next segment. On the bottom shelf here, you can see that we have most of our pads set correctly, but we have these pads set on top of the other pads. Two bad things are going to happen. One, everywhere this pad sits, if it sits long enough, it's going to cause an indentation on the surface on the pad below it. Here, we're going to just get flats and indentations on both pad surfaces. Not the correct way to do it. The way you see the pads in the upper shelf, that's the way your pad should be stored. When you're done, clean them, oil them, if that's part of your procedure, put them back on the shelf. It's the proper way to store your pads.